Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Trigger. Today I'm gonna tell you something about Bitcoin halvings. What is a Bitcoin halving? When does a Bitcoin halving appear? And what does it do with the price? And why is it important to know when a Bitcoin halving appears? All this I'm gonna explain to you in this video. If you already know everything about Bitcoin halvings, then skip to the part where it gets really interesting. I'm also going to do some Bitcoin analysis of today and Ethereum analysis of today. What is a Bitcoin halving? A Bitcoin halving event is when a reward for the mining Bitcoin's transactions is cut in half. What does that mean? Well, we had the last halving at May 11, 2020, and let's say the miner does mine here, and the miner solves the block, and then he gets a reward of 12.5 Bitcoin. For here the same, this is after the halving. Miner does the same and he gets this reward, the half of this one. This appears each 4 years and is really important to notice. This event also cuts in half Bitcoin's inflation rate and the rate at which the new Bitcoins are entered circulation. This means how harder it is to mine, how less Bitcoins there will be on the market, or new Bitcoins will be on the market. Keep that in mind, so it gets really scarce. Now I'm going to the Bitcoin chart, and you see all these vertical lines in green that are the Bitcoin halvings. First, I want to explain you, I have this chart on the monthly chart. So every candle is 1 month. So that means 11 bars here till the all-time high is 11 months. Took the Bitcoin halving 45 months to complete this cycle, and now I'm going to the next cycle. It took 15 months to come to the all-time high of 20k, and it took Bitcoin 44 bars, so 44 months to complete this cycle. Now we already 18 bars further, so if you took this as 11 bars and 15 bars, or in between 4 bars, so 4 months. So let's take that to 15 plus 4 is 19. So we still not, if we still follow this pattern, we could expect maybe some here, but I expect actually later this time. I'm also going to explain some other things. I have, let me check here, this, and here is getting interesting. Why? Well, you have here this percentage for the when the Bitcoin halving did appear to the all-time high of this cycle. I also did the same for the other cycle, and what now is getting interesting because I did something in the calculations. So I took this and percentage and did this calculation here. So this 0.36 here is in percentage. So this is 36% of this. So I took the same thing and did the same things here with this thing. So I did the same. So I took 36% of this 3,488 and came to this conclusion. And now I have also something else. I took all the all-time highs and I coupled them with the other all-time highs. So I did this here, and now this maybe getting a little bit much, so I hope you're gonna understand me. But I took this all-time high and took the first point here and placed here the second point. So that was 3,777%. I did again the same. So you have here the same calculation, like I did here the same. I took this all-time high and go to the other cycle and took that all-time high. And I did the same. The divide the 3,000. I mean the 1,493. Excuse me, to the divide to 3,077, and got 39%, 39.5%. I did the same for this one and did this percentage, and to calculate the next all-time high, because we don't have this all-time high yet. Or yeah, maybe we have, we don't know, but I think we don't have it yet. So I did the same. So I did 1,493. Yeah, I did this thing here, and I came to 590%. So what was cool about this was that both ways I did this, they only had this and price change, and that was kind of important to me because I did two times different calculations, because this was from the when the Bitcoin halving did appear till to the all-time high, and I did also do the all-time high of the cycle before and the cycle where we at, and did the same things and calculate the same things as like I did here. Only, yeah, what's like important is that I only get this in difference. Now I'm going to do some Bitcoin analysis. Yeah, you see a lot in this chart. That's very normal for me. But I'm going to explain only this part. Yeah, we had a ABC correction here. Like you see here, A, B, C. We went through the 200 MA on the 4 hour, what is kind of sad. I was hoping for a bounce on this. But no worries, we still have a good chart on the daily. But I was looking at this in the 1 hour. Let me see here. Yeah, if this was an ABC correction, you also had here the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave, and yeah, now we see a kind of sideways after that. So that's for me another sign of this one has to be there. Another sign of that maybe the bottom is in. What I also want to notice, I brought some lines here in the past. I brought some lines here, and you see here that it's the upper one, and this is the downer one. These two are important ones. So, because here you have resistance, here you have support, and here we had all the way support, and we crashed down, and I brought this pattern here all the way, and oops, we have here also the resistance, and here all the support what we had earlier here, and so we have two channels, so kind of this one and this one, and now we only follow the upper one, because I draw these lines months ago. So yeah, and now we are having support in that one. Let me take the other one away. So this one is really important for me. Like if this keeps getting supported here, we could easily go up again to higher levels or even all-time highs. If we don't get supported here, I expect a drop, maybe something like this, or this 55k would be yeah, I think that's a really important support level because we had it here as well. And yeah, I think also maybe we could support maybe on this one, like we have the all-time high here, and take the middle line of this, kind of maybe put it even a little bit higher like this, so we have also the support line on that, as you see here. Yeah, that's Bitcoin, and we also have Ethereum. And Ethereum had a really nice uptrend last couple of weeks, months, and here every time we had this flag, and every time something happened after that. Also, what was really important to notice at this chart was every time on the 50 MA on the 4 hour, it bounced. Like here, we went a little bit through, but not we didn't touch the 100 MA, and we bounced. We had here the 50 MA, we bounced. 50 MA bounce, and here the 100 MA bounce, 50 MA bounce, and so you could make easy money on Ethereum there. For now, it's important to watch this 200 MA. If we could come above this 200 MA, we could easily go to the sorry, did I say 100? I mean 200 MA. If we go above that, we could easily go to the 100 MA, and yeah, we could get rejected, of course, but then it's the 200 MA also under us, so it could be like something like that. But if we can't push through this 200 MA, I should watch the 4K level. And why? Because we had here one touch point here as resistance, support, yeah, support, and maybe here as well support. I should also watch the 3800 level, because yeah, there's also a lot of support, 2900, 2800 ish. Also in the past we had here this one, this spike up was also on 3800, 3900, 4000. So if you're looking for an entry lower than this for Ethereum, I should watch 3900 for a nice entry. But that said, the stochastic was very low. We were oversold, so this could also mean that this was the bottom for Ethereum, at least for now. So we could go up, like I told you, to the 100 MA and go back to the 200, and then we have to watch here what happens. I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe and like me, and hopefully see you guys in the next time. Bye.